Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of our favorite topics, home decorating tips and ideas. If you've been thinking about giving your home a fresh new feel, but don't want to spend too much or hire someone to do it, this video is for you. I'll walk you through simple, smart, and creative ways to make your home feel more beautiful and comfortable. You don't need fancy tools or big money, just a little time and some helpful ideas. Let's get started. 1. Start with a clean slate. The first step before decorating is to clean and declutter your space. When your home is full of extra things, it's hard to see what needs changing. Start by putting things away, donating what you don't use, and organizing what you want to keep. This alone can make your space feel bigger and more peaceful. It also gives you a clear view of what you're working with and helps your new decor shine. 2. Rearrange what you already have. You don't always need to buy new stuff. Try moving things around. Switch your couch to the opposite wall. Move your side table from the living room to the bedroom. Use your kitchen jars as plant pots. Rearranging things can give your space a brand new feel without spending a penny. It's fun to play around and see what feels right. 3. Use color to set the mood. Color can change how a room feels instantly. If your walls feel a bit dull, think about painting them. You don't have to paint the whole room, just one wall can make a big difference. Go for light, soft colors if you want your space to feel calm. Use bold colors to bring energy into the room. You can also bring color through cushions, rugs, or curtains. 4. Add texture with fabrics. Textiles make a space feel warm and full. Add some soft throw blankets, different types of pillows, or new curtains. Mix textures, pair smooth cotton with soft knit or a little bit of velvet. Even something like a woven basket or a jute rug can bring texture. These small changes can make your home feel more complete and cozy. 5. Lighting makes a big difference. Let's talk about lighting. If your room feels dull or dark, the lighting might be the reason. Try changing your light bulbs to a warmer tone. Add a lamp or a few fairy lights. Floor lamps in corners, table lamps by the bed, or wall lights can all add charm. And don't forget about sunlight. Open those curtains and let natural light in when you can. It lifts your mood and brightens up your space. 6. Bring nature. Indoors, plants are one of the easiest and cheapest ways to upgrade your decor. They add life, color, and freshness. You don't need to be a plant expert. There are many low-care options like snake plants, pothos, or succulents. Put them on shelves in corners or hang them from the ceiling. You can even use small herbs in your kitchen. Not only do they look nice, but they can be useful too. 7. Add personal touches. Your home should feel like you. Display things that tell your story like family photos, souvenirs from trips, or a small collection you love. Frame your kids' art or even your own. Hang them on the wall or place them neatly on shelves. These personal pieces make your house feel like a home. 8. Use mirrors to open up space. Mirrors can make a room look bigger and brighter. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect light. Even smaller mirrors placed in the right spot can open up the space. You can find affordable mirrors in thrift stores or discount shops. Get creative with shapes and frames too. 9. Work with what you've got. Sometimes the best ideas come from what you already own. Got an old chair? Paint it. An empty frame? Use it as wall art. A dresser that feels outdated? Change the handles. DIY projects like these are not only fun, but also give your home a unique and creative touch. You don't need to be an expert, just willing to try. 10. Decorate in layers. When decorating, think in layers. Start with the bigger things like furniture, then move to smaller items like rugs, curtains, and decor. Add in things like books, candles, and art. Layering gives depth to your space. It makes it feel lived in and well thought out, rather than plain and empty. 11. Create a focal point. Every room needs a focus. This could be your bed in the bedroom, your sofa in the living room, or even a big art piece on the wall. Arrange your other furniture around that item. It helps the room feel balanced and organized. If you don't have a natural focal point, make one with a gallery wall or a statement rug. 12. Stick to a theme if you want. Having a theme can make decorating easier. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but it helps if your items feel like they belong together. Maybe your theme is coastal, modern, farmhouse, or boho. Pick a few colors and materials that match the style and repeat them throughout the space. 13. Shop. Smart and slow. You don't need to buy everything at once. Start small. Look for sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Sometimes the best decor is something old with character. And remember, it's okay to leave space for things to grow. Decorating doesn't have to be rushed. 14. Keep it functional. Pretty is nice, but your space should work for your daily life. If you have kids or pets, go for items that are easy to clean. If you work from home, make sure your workspace is comfy and well lit. Every item should have a purpose, even if that purpose is simply to bring you joy. Final thoughts. Decorating your home is not about being perfect. It's about creating a space that feels good to you. So don't be afraid to try new things, move stuff around, and make your home a place you love to be in. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more home decor tips.